Hey gang, welcome back. Today I'm going to open two 2020 Absolute Football Blasters. Each one does offer up a hit. As we know, it'll probably be a mem card, but it could be an autograph. We're also going to be on the lookout for the ultra rare kaboom inserts. That would be nice. Anything else we need to know before we go in here? We're looking at 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box, so that's gonna take a minute. That's good. Look for retail exclusive parallels and autographs, but it doesn't say which parallels. Very interesting. Alright, let's get into these and see what we get. I always never know what to look for as far as the ultra rare inserts, like the downtown and stuff like that. So I'm glad this time I know what to look for. Although of course now that I know, I probably won't pull one. I probably tend to pull them because I have no clue what it is I'm looking for. Alright, let's see if we can get some rookie goodness in here. Some decent parallels. Derrick Henry, Rivers, Kittle. Sweet. Ruggs green. Good start. Gandy Golden, Pickney, Swift, and Pittman Jr. That is a great start. Of course, I'm partial to Ruggs because he played for Alabama, but I still think he's got a ton of talent. Julio, and I'd say that regardless. Juju, Unsung Heroes, Gilmore. I'm getting ahead of myself. There's Ruggs, regular rookie. Tyler Johnson, Jalen Johnson, Brandon Ayuk. I've been calling him Ayuk. I hope that's right. I haven't heard anybody pronounce it yet. Wentz, Jones. Of course, I could do my homework, but that would take time. Josh Jacobs. There's a Mostert green. Peoples, Jones, Moss, Hasty, and Winfield Jr. rookie cards. McCaffrey, Johnson, Jones, Red Zone, Edelman, rookie cards of Joshua Kelly, Arnett, Marlon Davidson, and Grant Delpit. I think we've got our jersey card here. Something thick in there. Waller, Matt Ryan. It is a rookie force Jordan Love. Nice looking card. Yeah, I like the way they did that. It looks good. Fantasy flashback. Joe Namath. Nice. Hello, Tua. How you doing? Nice, nice, nice. Kinlaw, Perrine, and don't drop it. Patman. I think that's what that said. Stack this up so Tua doesn't go flying. Keep him in perfect shape, tip-top shape. Golf. Eckler. Whoa. Nice. It's a Brian Edwards rookie, like Escher Squares parallel to 199. Nice. I did not expect that. That's sweet. Wish that was the Tua, but still, I like Brian Edwards a lot. Stargazing, Breeze, T. Higgins rookie, Proche, McFarland Jr., very nice, and Josh Uche Koo. I don't know how to pronounce that. Alright, 2 more packs in this blaster. Thielen, Galladay, Allen. There's a Dak green. Dalton Keene, Montez, Gabriel Davis, and Trayvon Diggs rookie cards. Decent little slate of rookies there. Alright, last pack. Le'Veon Bell, Tannehill, Fitz, a introductions, Herbert. Oh, Edwards-Helaire rookie. Forgot about him. Kyle Duggar, Duvernay, and Ross Blacklock. Alright, moving on to box number 2. Still surprised by that Brian Edwards parallel. That was nice. Now I want a kaboom. Anybody will do. Alright, let's go. This feels thick already. I think we got our, yeah, we got our hit in here already. Well, let's hold on to that for fun. We'll do that last. There is Darnold, Derrick Henry, Godwin, Stargazing Tom Brady, rookie cards of James Morgan, Anthony Gordon, Jordan Brooks, and Colin Johnson. Julio, Tyreek Hill, Minka. There is a green Khalil Mack, Lynn Bowden Jr., Eno Benjamin, Joe Reed, and Chase Young. Haskins, Wentz, Parker, Jordan Love introductions, Fulton, something, Raekwon Davis, and Jalen Reagor. McCaffrey, Gilmore, Allen. There's a green rookie, I can't read it, James Prochet, Okanaka, Jordan Love, Cole McDonald, and Laviska Shenault Jr. Then we have Johnson, Waller, and Zeke. Sammy Watkins, Unsung Heroes, and then rookie cards of Zach Moss. Very nice. Nice, Joe Burrow. Hello, Joe. Sweet. Chase Claypool, very nice. And Chase On. What a great rookie pack. Golf, Jones, White, a Keenan Allen green. Then we have Derek Brown. Looks like that says Cephas, Jalen Hurts, and A.J. Dillon. Eckler, Thielen, Chark, Red Zone, McCaffrey, Jonathan Taylor, very nice. Cole Kimmett, Eason, and Gross Matos. Cool. Alright, our last pack, which has our other jersey card, has Kirk Cousins. I see the, trying to guess who this is. Oh, Hamler. Dang. I mean, it's not terrible. Still, I really like the design of those. It looks good. Alright, Fantasy Flashback, Dante Culpepper. Nice, another Edwards-Helaire. Kyle Duggar, Duvernay, Ross Blacklock. So that's it for the blaster boxes. Not bad. I mean, decent value. Don't pay a crazy price for these. I don't know. I mean, I guess we should see what these rookies are selling for. I don't think they're going to sell for a ton. You do get quite a few per pack. They'll be decent, but I don't know. I'm a cheapskate, so I say don't pay a crazy price. But if you can get them, obviously, at retail would be best. But, like, I got these just slightly above, so I felt okay about it. So, that's that, kids. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care of yourself, and I'll be back again with you soon. Bye.